Imagine a technology so powerful, it doesn't just change your life, it changes the meaning of being alive. A technology that allows you to upload your mind, your thoughts, your memories, your entire consciousness, copied into a machine. It sounds impossible. It sounds unreal. But some scientists believe it may not be a question of if, but when. Today, we explore what might happen if we upload the human mind. And the answers are stranger, deeper, and more unsettling than you might expect. Inside your skull lives the most complex structure in the known universe. 86 billion neurons, trillions of synapses, electrical storms, chemical signals, memories, emotions, identity, all woven into a living network that creates you. Mind uploading means copying this entire system with perfect detail. Not just scanning the brain, not just recording memories, but recreating a digital version of your consciousness that behaves like you, thinks like you, and truly believes it is you. To achieve this, we would need to map the brain at a resolution far beyond anything that exists today. Every cell, every connection, every tiny spark of thought inside the neural galaxy. Some scientists imagine microscopic nanobots traveling through the brain, recording each neuron from the inside. Others envision future imaging machines capable of seeing the brain at atomic detail. But mapping the brain is only the beginning. We would also need computers powerful enough to simulate the entire network in real time. Simulating a single human brain would require more processing power than all the computers on Earth combined, unless a new form of computing emerges. Quantum computers. Machines that obey the strange rules of quantum physics, capable of processing unimaginable amounts of information instantly. If quantum computing matures, it could become the engine that powers digital consciousness. Now imagine the moment it finally happens. You sit in a chair. You close your eyes. The machine begins scanning your brain at the speed of light. Neurons fire. Data flows. And a complete digital map of your mind forms inside a computer. And then, your digital self opens its eyes. It remembers your family, your dreams, your fears, your secrets. It feels like you. It thinks like you. And it wakes up believing it is you. But here is the dilemma. If the original you is still sitting in the chair, is the digital version truly you? Or is it simply a perfect copy? This is where science meets philosophy, and neither has a clear answer. If your mind is uploaded, there are now two versions of you. The biological you, made of flesh and neurons, and the digital you, made of code and electricity. Which one is the real you? If both feel real, if both remember your life, if both claim your identity, who owns your story? Imagine meeting your digital copy. It smiles with your smile. It speaks with your voice. It knows your past, but it also knows that you are no longer alone. So what happens next? Now imagine the digital version of you, living inside a virtual world. A world with no hunger, no sickness, no aging, no physical limits. A world where you can design your own reality, replay memories, create new ones, slow down time, or speed it up. Learn anything instantly, live in multiple worlds at once, or download yourself into robotic bodies and explore other planets without fear of death. Your intelligence could grow endlessly. Your mind could expand beyond human understanding. Digital immortality sounds extraordinary, but only if everything goes perfectly, because this future has shadows. If your mind exists as data, what happens if someone hacks you? What if your consciousness is copied without permission? What if your digital self is trapped in a painful loop? What if you are shut down, deleted, or controlled? We already struggle with digital privacy. Imagine dealing with digital identity. Would a digital mind have rights? Could it suffer? Could it feel fear or loneliness? And if it can, are we responsible for protecting it? In trying to escape death, we may create a new form of existence with new forms of suffering. Some scientists say mind uploading is centuries away, if it is possible at all. Others argue that consciousness cannot be copied like a file. They believe the self is deeper than information, tied to biology, tied to experience, tied to something we still do not understand. And yet, technology keeps advancing. We map brains with more detail every year. We simulate neurons. We experiment with artificial consciousness. The dream of digital immortality is too powerful to disappear. In the end, mind uploading may not be about living forever. It may be about discovering what we truly are. Are we patterns? Are we memories? Are we information? Or is there something inside us that cannot be digitized? If the day comes when your mind can be uploaded, would you do it? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe for more journeys into the future of science.